Hello everyone, welcome to MathsVedika. So today we are going to discuss question pertaining to integration which appeared in board examination, CBSE Board Examination 2025. And the question is, sketch the graph of y is equal to mod x plus 3 and find the area of the region enclosed by the curve x-axis between x is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to 0 using integration. So first of all, we'll sketch the graph of y is equal to mod x plus 3. After sketching, we can find the area by simply applying the formula of area which we use in geometry, but we have to find the area using integration. So first of all, let us draw the graph of y is equal to mod x plus 3. Graph of y is equal to mod x plus 3. So we know that y is equal to x plus 3 under mod can be written as x minus 3. So we know that in transformation of graph, this graph of y is equal to mod x will be shifted to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 unit. Okay, so let's sketch the graph. So this is origin 0, 0. So the graph of y is equal to mod x will be like this. Now we have to find the graph of y is equal to mod of x plus 3. So this graph of y is equal to mod x will be shifted 3 unit to the left of the origin. So the intersection point will be minus 3, 0. So this is 1 minute. So this is 1 unit, 2 unit, and this is 3 unit. So this will be the intersection of this graph y is equal to mod of x plus 3. So intersection point will be minus 3, 0. Now this is the graph in red is the graph of y is equal to x mod of x plus 3. We can also see that if we'll put the value of x is equal to minus 3, when we'll put the value of x is equal to minus 3, then value of y will be 0. So this is the point where graph of y is equal to mod of x plus 3 cuts x-axis. Okay, now we have to find the area of this graph which is enclosed by the curve x-axis. So this is x-axis, and between x is equal to -6 and x is equal to 0. So if this is x is equal to -6, so the point will be -6, 0, and x is equal to 0, so this is x is equal to 0, the point will be x, y, so 0, 0. So when we have x is equal to -6, y will be equal to, when x is equal to -6, so y will be equal to -6 plus 3, so this will be mod of -3, which is equal to 3. Okay, so this point will be -6, 3. Okay, and when x is equal to 0, y will be equal to 0 plus 3, which is equal to mod 3, which is equal to 3. So this will be 0, 3. Now we have to find the area. So the area will be the area enclosed by this graph from -6 to 0. So the area will be this area, which is being shaded, the area of this triangle. Okay, so we know that this triangle is right angle triangle whose base is right angle triangle whose base is 3 unit, from -6 to -3, 3 unit, and whose height is also 3 unit. Here also in this triangle, from -3 to 0, base is 3 unit and height is, this is 3 unit. So area will be equal to area of both these triangles. So half into base into height plus area of second triangle, half into base into height. Okay, so this is half into 3 into 3 plus half into 3 into 3, so half 1 into 3 into 3, so this will be equal to 9 square unit. So this area is obtained by simply applying the area formula which we use to find the area of right angle triangle in geometry. Now we'll find the area using integration. So so let's write finding area using integration. So the function is y is equal to mod x plus 3 mod x plus 3. So we have to integrate mod x plus 3 from -6 to 0. So this can be written as from -6 to -3. From -6 to -3, this x plus 3 will be, this will be negative. So when we'll keep this value out from mod sign, we'll put another negative to convert this into positive, because after solving mod we have to keep the value positive. So from -6 to -3, this is already negative, so we'll put extra negative sign so that finally ultimately this becomes positive. Okay, so this will be minus x plus 3 dx. This is mod of x plus 3 is equal to minus x plus 3 when x is from -6 to -3. Now x plus 3 is positive, so after removing mod sign, this will be simply x plus 3, because x plus 3 is already positive when x is greater than equal to -3 and less than equal to 0. So plus -3 to 0, this will be x plus 3 dx. Now we know that the integration of x is x square by 2 and integration of 3 is 3x. From -6 to -3, this is minus sign, plus again x square by 2 plus 3x from -3 to 0. Now this will become -3 square by 2 plus 3 into -3 minus -6 square by 2 plus 3 into -6 plus 0 square by 2 plus 3 into 0 minus -3 square by 2 plus 3 into -3. Now we'll solve this. Let's put minus n before bracket. -3 square, 9 by 2 minus 3 3 is 9 minus 6 square, 36 by 2, and here 3 into -6 will be -18, and here minus minus plus 18. Okay, plus this will become 0, so 0 minus 3a square minus 3a square, 9 by 2 minus 3 3 is 9. 9 by 2 minus 9 minus 18 plus 18 plus minus 9 by 2 plus 9. This will be cancelled out, minus 18 and 18. Now we'll have minus 9 by 2 minus minus plus 9 plus minus 9 by 2 and plus 9. Okay, now 9 plus 9 under one bracket minus 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2 under one bracket. 9 plus 9 18, and here 2 into 9 by 2. 18 minus 9 barabar 9 square unit. Answer. So this is from integration. So we obtained the same answer, 9 square unit, when we applied formula of area of right angle triangle and by using integration. So I hope you understood the method, both the methods. Now we'll meet in next session with some other questions. I hope you understood this method. Thank you.